to show you how to make microwave popcorn. Take it away, Eric.
Let's go to our cupboard. Here we find two types of popcorn. Orville Redenbacher's and Pop Secret. Heather, which one of these do you think is better?
Of course it's Pop Secret.
Heather, that is incorrect. The superior of the two is Orville Redenbacher's. It pops up lighter and fluffier. Sorry about that TV timeout. But Heather, as you guessed, Pop Secret, no, that is incorrect. The superior is Orville Redenbacher's. Now what one would tend to do is just grab the top bag on the top and put it in. But, in fact, there is a way to choose the best bag of popcorn. Heather, will you measure these for me, please?
Sure.
Let's put them upside down so the tops won't be putting in. Now, which one of those is the tallest?
I believe that this one will be the tallest one.
All right. Well, why don't you take this, and I'll let you show them how to put it in the microwave and start the popping process.
Okay. First we open the microwave. And we make sure that we put this side down. We put it in the middle of the microwave. Shut the door. Box says 3 to 5 minutes. Let's see what this button does. Okay, and now, while you all think that you can sit here and rest, this is the most crucial time of the popcorn process. The pop. Eric, what kind of pop would you like?
I don't care.
Is Coke alright?
Sounds great.
While the popcorn is popping, we'll put these in the freezer to get a full potential chill. And also, while those are chilling in the freezer, we get 2 glasses out. And we also put these in the freezer.
Now, this may be a point where you have a couple of possibilities. Number one, you can sit back, relax, and watch your beautiful popcorn pop. Or you can prepare for what is yet to come in the future. Well, I think I'll do a bit of both. I'll prepare by getting out the popcorn bowl. Alright, now we're going to sit back, relax, and watch our popcorn pop. Ooh, look at that. That's popping up just great. Those of us who are lazy, those of us who are lazy may wait until it hits 0. But there is a definite method in getting the whitest, cleanest kernels that you can find. See, if you wait until it goes 0, the ones that have popped turn a little bit brown. So you push stop. Right now, when the popcorn kernels start to slow down in their popping, you'll lose a few of the kernels, but in turn, the ones that you'll get will be lighter and fluffier. Next, you put the bag, take the bag out, and put it down. And Heather will show you how to melt the butter.
Okay. Okay, we're now going to make the butter. First we get a microwavable dish. We go to the refrigerator and get the butter out. And we use approximately 2 tablespoons of butter. Put it in the dish. We proceed to the microwave.
while Heather is doing this is a perfect time to get your pop and ice out that has been chilling in the freezer. And if you do so choose, you may put ice in the glasses. It seems our butter is ready. Next, we open up the popcorn and put it in the bowl. Then you put on the butter. As Heather shakes it in a circular motion, it's very important to shake it up so it doesn't get all in one space. It's evenly spread throughout your popcorn. Looks great. And the final topper off your perfect microwave popcorn is popcorn salt. 3 squigs of this and it will be perfect. And this is how you make perfect microwave popcorn.